Paano kung sabihin ko sa yung meron na naman ako na-discover na 100% work from home company at pwede po kahit walang VA experience.
Wow.
100% non-voice to guys at pwede po ang high school graduate at pwede kang kumita ng $4 per hour. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kuya Renny Boy. For today's video, meron na naman ako i-share sa inyo na company. Napaka-solid na ito guys dahil pwede po kayo mag-apply ngayon na. Pero syempre, tapusin nyo muna tong video na to dahil hindi ko lang basta i-reveal yung pangalan ng company. Sasabihin ko rin yung step-by-step procedure kung paano kayo makakapag-apply. Kaya kung interesado ka dito at gustong-gusto mo rin ng work from home job, comment sa baba ng napakalaking yes. At kung bago ka lang dito, don't forget na i-like yung video na to at i-click yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated ka tuwing mayroon akong bagong upload. Alam niyo naman guys, paunahan palagi sa pag-a-apply. Kaya para updated ka, make sure na nakasubscribe ka. At syempre, shoutout nga pala sa nanalo ng 500 Gcash na nakaraang video ko. Kung gusto mo rin manalo, comment kung gaano ka pogi si Kuya Renny Boy. Without further ado, let's get started. Thank you for calling customer service. Welcome back sa channel ng mga swabe. Nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Kuya Renny Boy, para magbigay na naman sa inyo ng work from home update. Alam niyo naman si Kuya Renny Boy, palagi akong gumagawa ng mga videos para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano mag-apply bilang isang virtual assistant, kung paano makasungkit ng work from home job. Napakarami na nating natulungan and hopefully, ikaw na ang susunod. Kaya bago natin ito umpisahan, survey muna tayo sa lahat ng gusto ng work from home job. Comment sa baba ng work from home. At syempre, i-like mo yung video na to. Hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik. Ang company na tinutukoy ko ngayon ay walang iba kundi si HealthFlow. Si HealthFlow guys ay isang legit na company or VA company para po ito sa lahat ng mga gusto ng work from home job tapos non-voice pa. Alam naman natin guys na yung mga viewers ni Kuya Renny Boy or mga audience natin dito na nanonood, kung hindi literal na aplikante, is mga call center agent na gustong mag-transition sa work from home setup. Well, good news dahil para sa inyo talaga yung video na to. Si HealthFlow guys ay isang VA company or VA agency na nagsusupply ng mga Filipino workers, ng mga Filipino remote workers, okay, sa mga clients nila sa iba't ibang bansa. Nag-offer sila ng mga Filipino VA sa mga clients nila sa US para maging sales support, customer service, marketing support, at marami pang iba. So kapag nag-apply po kayo kay HealthFlow, nakaseparate po yung pinaka-application form nila or yung pinaka-application website nila. Okay, i-click nyo na lang po yung link dyan sa baba at i-discuss po natin yan. Pagpasok nyo pa lang dyan guys sa application form, makikita ninyo yung mga job openings. We help Rockstar Filipinos find full-time work from home jobs with great companies. Okay? Tapos mamimili lang kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo dito. Meron silang content and marketing coordinator. Meron din silang live chat and email support agents. And since ang title nga ng video na to is para sa lahat ng mga gusto ng non-voice job, ito po yung isa-select natin. Okay? I-click nyo lang po yan. Tapos i-route po kayo nyan sa page kung saan ipupush through nyo na yung pag-a-apply ninyo. Okay, kukumpletuhin nyo lang yung mga required details dyan, yung mga hihingi na information para magtuloy-tuloy na. Pero syempre, basahin nyo muna yung overview and description ng ina-applyan ninyo. So, nakasulat dito, looking for a stable remote customer service job? We got you. Join us if you have the experience, skills, and #work from home setup. Read on to learn more. Okay, position, customer service agent, live chat or email support, working hours, shifting schedule, predominantly US business hours. So, technically, mag-work po kayo ng panggabi, graveyard shift. Okay, hiring company, we run customer service operations for e-commerce stores, providing customer service agents as well as customer service operation management and infrastructure improvements, workflow improvements, reporting, AI, etc. We launched in 2015 and have a fully remote team of 100 plus employees in the Philippines, including managers, client management, sales, etc., and great culture. Position summary, as live chat agent will handle incoming chat from multiple client websites. Your primary mission is to increase website sales conversion by providing a pleasant experience to all visitors and helping them navigate to the website. Okay, you will also handle post-order queries such as order status, shipping info, complaints, etc. Okay, so literal na chat agent po yung magiging trabaho nyo rito. Magre-reply kayo sa website, okay, sa website ng client ni HealthFlow para, alam nyo yun, masagot yung mga inquiries nila regarding sa status ng order or etc. etc. Yun po yung pinaka magiging trabaho nyo rito. Responsibilities include but are not limited to the following: convert chats into sales by providing world-class customer service and pleasant experience to every website visitor, protect companies, clients, and visitors' information. Tas yun, sige, basahin nyo na lang guys. Ang pinaka-requirement, at least 2 years of customer service experience for English-speaking businesses, client customers, preferably e-commerce or similar businesses. Nabanggit ko kanina, hindi po required ang VA experience, pero ang importante dito is kahit paano, meron po tayong customer service experience, okay? Or call center experience, okay? Robust e-commerce or retail customer service background, so most likely, hinahanap pala nila is merong kaalaman or meron na pong experience so when it comes to e-commerce. Okay? Genuine care for customer and clients. A sales-oriented person is A+. Social media management experience is A+. At least 6 months of work from home experience is A+. So, meron din po pala siyang requirement na at least 6 months na nakapag-work from home na kayo. Okay? Not literally na kailangan nagkaroon kayo ng VA experience. Ang importante dito, nakaranas na kayo ng work from home experience, okay? Qualifications required: remote work ready, stable high-speed internet with backup minimum of 10 Mbps. Okay, computer, laptop, or desktop with the following recommended specs. Okay, check nyo na lang. Quad-core RAM is 16 gig or higher. Tas, at least yung GPU is 1 gig. And then 110 gig SSD for your drive C. Okay, dual monitor, ang requirement pala nila dito with at least 1920 x 1080 display resolution, headset with mic and webcam for meetings, focused workspace. Okay, above average written and verbal English communication and comprehension skills, great chat, email, social media, and phone etiquette, advanced critical thinking skills. Okay, when it comes to chat, iba-iba kasi yan. May tinatawag na tag dito yung concurrency, kung ilang customers yung kaya mong i-manage or kausapin. And since chat to guys, importante kahit papano, careful tayo sa mga spelling, sa punctuations, and yun, yung mga capitalization. Okay, kung kailan tayo mag-uppercase or maglo-lowercase. What they offer? The starting salary rate is $4 per hour. Fully remote, you can work anywhere literally as long as you have a stable internet connection and electricity, pandemic-proof job. Weekly pay after first week of training and no salary deduction. Grabe, sasahod ka na agad after first week ng training mo. Paid time offs, HMO coverage up to $50 per month, paid breaks, paid training, career growth, performance-based compensation review. Since you will be working from home, you get to save a lot of money and time and money. Company and team events, virtual and offline. And what we don't offer: government-mandated benefits, SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth. Our team pays them voluntarily. Okay? So, magsa-self-contribution kayo. Company PC, you must already have or buy or upgrade your current one to meet our minimum requirements. Okay? Malinaw naman po dito yung ino-offer nila at hindi nila ino-offer. Okay? Mababasa nyo na lang dito guys yung mga terms of employment nila. May mga notes din sila na nilagay dito. For the best application experience, we recommend using Google Chrome as your browser. This ensures optimal performance and minimizes any potential submission issues. So, parang compatible po yung pinaka-application nila kapag gumagamit tayo ng Google Chrome. Kapag ready ka na, click nyo na yung apply for this job. Tapos yun guys, pwede nyo i-autofill yung information kung alam nyo na, nakaready lang po yung mga information niyo sa computer niyo, or pwede nyo namang imano-mano lahat, lagyan yan. First name, last name, email. Tapos yun, kompletuhin nyo po yung mga documents na hinihingi, especially yung resume niyo. Make sure na updated yan. So that's it for today's video. Sana makapasa po kayo sa pag-a-apply dito kay HealthFlow. Balitaan niyo si Kuya Rene Boy kapag na-hired po kayo. At dahil lumabot ko sa part ng video na to, mamimigay pa rin si Kuya Rene Boy ng Coolco Ignite headphone. Meron pa akong isang sobra dito sa bahay. Ang gagawin nyo lang para manalo is mag-follow sa mga social media platform ko, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Dito sa YouTube guys, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo para updated kayo. Alam niyo naman, kada upload ko, ang dami nag-a-apply. Paunahan lang yan. Kaya make sure na updated ka. Kaya i-click mo na yung subscribe button. And before I end this video, shoutout and congratulations sa lahat ng graduates sa Bold Minds Academy Batch 40. Batch 41 natin guys, malapit na mapuno. Kung gusto ninyong humabol, okay, ang gagawin nyo lang, comment sa baba ng #scholar para maka-enroll na po kayo sa aming virtual assistant online training. Okay, nagtuturo po kami sa mga Pilipino kung paano sila makakapag-start sa freelancing journey nila at kung paano sila ma-hire bilang isang virtual assistant. Ito po ang inclusions. Kung gusto ninyong humabol dyan guys, malapit na mapuno yan, mag-enroll na kayo. Okay, comment lang sa baba ng #scholar at i-PM nyo ako sa Facebook page ko, Kuya Rene Boy Official. See you on my next video. Shoutout sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout. God bless us all.